Heavy rain, leaking cellar doors, or lack of backflow protection can cause the basement of the home to quickly fill with unwanted water. The MULTIBOX provides a complete package in case of flooding. In an emergency, the MULTIBOX has all the equipment combined for rapid water disposal, so that homeowners' belongings can be protected as quickly as possible. The MULTIBOX is compact and transportable. The powerful Grundfos UNILIFT CC basement drainage pump pumps water from less than 3 mm deep. The 15-meter fire hose features stainless steel kink protection for sharp corners, ensuring safe sewage transport from the house, even at longer distances. The UNILIFT CC has a triple-stepped hose adapter, making it compatible with additional hoses of different diameters. This allows it to be used for a variety of applications. The MULTIBOX offers you safe pump operation with dry running and motor protection, as well as an integrated float switch and non-return valves. The MULTIBOX by Grundfos.